So today I want to teach you how to connect this DIN energy meter, right? So this DIN energy meter, want to connect it so that it can monitor output power of our solar system, right? Let's assume that this is, from the previous lectures, we say that this is connected to change over between solar and utility input, what we call ZESA in Zimbabwe. So this will change between solar and utility or ZESA input, right? So on the output side, we want to always monitor the amount of energy that we are drawing from our system, right? So what do? This is an energy meter, DIN energy meter, right? And I'm going to connect this using the pliers, 1-star screwdriver. Then this DIN energy meter comes with this current transformer in the box. It comes with this current transformer. So this is what comes in the box, and I also have this other current transformer, this one, this current transformer. So you can use any current transformer on this energy meter. Okay, so let me show you how you can actually do this. Right, so what you do is you connect your negative and positive on these terminals, the terminals that are below, on the underside of this energy meter, right? So I've created these two loops, this one and this one, right? So these ends, I'm going to connect them onto the energy meter. Then this will be testing the voltage, right? Okay, and powering the energy meter as well. Okay, so what you do is that you just have to know which cable is coming from the solar system. Let's assume that this one is coming from the solar system and this one is coming from utility. So it means that the red cable is going to go on this underside where you've connected, which is 4, where you have connected your cable that is coming from the solar system output, right? Okay, then as for your negative, you connect it here. Then you track the neutral that is coming from the solar system output. Again, in this instance, it will be this one, right? So simply that's what I'm going to do right now. So now I've connected the black onto this black, which I said is coming from the solar system, solar output point. Then this red, which is coming from the solar output point, right? Okay, because what we want to do is to monitor the output energy from the solar system alone. But please note that this can change over. This will be changing over between utility and inverter output, right? Okay, now let's connect the CT, which we call current transformer, either this or this, right? Let's connect this one. I want to use this one. Right, so I took the white cable on the CT and connected it here, and the black on the CT and connected on top of this DIN energy meter. After doing that, please note that this CT has an arrow. You see that arrow? Okay, so the direction of flow of current in this output wire is from here going towards the load, from this breaker going towards the load. So please make sure you align the flow of current with this arrow. So this arrow is to point in the same direction as the flow of current. After doing this, after you do this, connect the voltage under here, and you put your CT here. Then you energize your system, meaning that on this changeover breaker, we would have to switch it to, that should be this side. Okay, right, let's say we switch it to this side. Correct me if I'm wrong, but what I simply want to do is to just make sure that it's on the inverter side, not the utility side. It's on the inverter side, right? So that the power that is flowing through this breaker and out is coming from the inverter. And if you want to monitor maybe the AC power output of your batteries as it is connected from to the inverter and things like that, you just have to switch off utility so that utility doesn't flow into the inverter, and you just charge your batteries to 100%, then you start discharging up until they die down. Then this energy meter will actually record the amount, the power that would have been drawn from the solar system. That's how you can see the AC power that can be outputted by your batteries. Feel free to comment in the comment section, feel free to correct, feel free to discuss.